US Olympic legend Carl Lewis has spoken about his impression of London 2012 so far, the opening ceremony, and the high hopes he has for his country's sprint team.
And I think the real story of the sprints is going to be how strong the American team does.
The American sprinters, the 100, 200, 400, men and women, are going to win the most medals of any other country. And everyone wants to talk about Jamaica and all of that. I'm not trying to hear that.
Anyway, only the Jamaica no man no mind on our way. You see and bolt fast anyway. Now me no boy take worrying by the way.
Olympic, you want be crazy, a suffer insane.
Some boy better straighten themselves on the company line. Y'all don't mess with the brain. Homo will feel real intimidating vain.
Who we take off like a plane? Make it look like slow car on the man. We speed faster than bike on a train. Love to look off if you think it's a joke. I'm safe if we run.
Jamaica!
Jamaica!
Here we go.
Here he is, the biggest and most charismatic sports star in the world. Usain St. Leo Bolt of Sherwood Content, Trelawney. Listen to the applause for the three-time gold medalist, the man who set 3 world records with his teammates last time around in Fiji.
I don't know how many of y'all actually watch the Olympics out there. As far as track and field go, I watch it all the time. I don't know if y'all seen these Jamaicans run before, but these boys is fast. I don't understand how they getting fast like that. Like the Americans, they think they could beat them. I don't know why.
Two will have Richard Thompson of Trinidad and Tobago. Asafa Powell in lane 3. From the U.S., Tyson Gay is in lane 4. Johan Blake is in lane 5. And the imposing 6'5" figure of Usain Bolt. Lane 8, 23-year-old Ryan Bailey of the U.S. And lane 9, Sharandi Martina of the Netherlands.
We have never seen, Tom, a sprinter in history who responds to pressure and the spotlight better than Usain Bolt.
Head. Started getting his away well. Usain Bolt trying to come along. Here's Tyson Gay. Here's Blake. Here's Bolt. Usain Bolt explodes.
Tom, how long is he missing to how vulnerable he was? You cannot count out a... Just like he performs every time he's on the big stage. That's the second fastest time he's ever run. And his advantage is this, Tom. He came here, he didn't even have to run the best race he's ever run. Everybody else had to run a personal best just to compete. Johan Blake, his training partner, gets second. And Gatlin gets a medal, a bronze medal for the United States. Tom, Jamaica will celebrate on August 6th, tomorrow, their 50th anniversary of independence. I suspect that party is going to start one day early.
One thing, you see Bolt, the man come, and the man is so superb. You see when him come back to Jamaica, all Jamaican better look for him and call him the legend Bolt, because he's now the legend.
Well, it is wonderful in half a tree. Usain Bolt and Johan Blake, big up Asafa Powell the same way. You do your best, but all I can say, it's wonderful, it is nice here. The big man cross it, and I know he cross it. Usain Bolt, he crossed it. It's wonderful. That's a nice run. Usain Bolt, you are the real big man, and no one to test you. You are a lion in Zion.
Usain Bolt are the big man of the place. I told you so.
Asafa, the feel away. We still love the same way. Still love the same way. One love. We never get a better Jamaica 50. Straight up.
You know, Jamaicans, I don't know. They get them out of nowhere, though. Like, they get fast out of nowhere. They wake up in the morning and just be fast for no reason. I don't know how they get like that. See, with us Americans, we take weeks to get fast, man. Maybe years to get fast. Jamaicans, I remember when Usain Bolt first got there and he was running the 400 meter and he was coming like 4th place and all that. And then weeks later, he come back to 200 meter and he dominating. 100 meter, dominating. Nobody can stop him. Like, how is he doing this? Like, what are y'all doing? What kind of training y'all doing? Us Americans need to get on that. We need to go train with them.
Them try to be hard, so them pray hard. So if you feel mad, wanna react.
Carefully pray how you pray, you pray. Pray, you pray, trying to pray me. Carefully pray how you pray.
Fire.
Watch them in up. 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 Everything what me I do, them a pray me you know. Some a pray them in up. 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 Her boss teach me how to mislead them in up. De Niro, call and Joe. Rise up the hammer with the tall angle. The one where you whistle like a tall bamboo. Create everything you do, them a try fight you.
I don't know how you say.
Don't tell me let them what we fall on you. Don't try violate the Gaza.
Cause I surely we looking at the triangle.
Oh my God! Watch them in up. Everything what me I do, them a pre me you know. Some a pre them in up, pre them in up, pre them in up, pre. Nobody no want see them in up. Them a wish me dead, but just me bed. Me like nah blow away like a sea me you know. True a cause me say, and a cause me dead. Then I want me career if you proceed run away. If you no rate me, then me no rate you. Just pull a Red Bull and fly away you know.
I was just watching Warren because I knew Bolt and Yuan would bring it home. And I know Warren is number 3. 1, 2, 3.
For sorry, say myself a drop out. 1, 2, 3 to the world. They turn up the thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You see that you and you wear? Him just so hard. We're not gonna name him wear anymore. We're gonna call him hard wear.
Don't know if I did full for one fourth man in the rest of him that come fourth so tomorrow a 3 flag I put up. Yo, ball, I cry, I want to hear.
Halfway 3 was the place to be to witness the 1, 2, 3 history. And yes, so nice.
It's like, come on, man. I don't know where they getting this from. Even before that, Summer Power was breaking records. I'm like, how is they doing this? Overnight. We gotta train and kill ourselves to do some stuff like that. But I mean, like I said, Jamaicans, man, whatever y'all doing, keep it up. I hope the Americans can follow y'all lead.
I was thinking, you know, I wonder how Carl Lewis would compare to Usain Bolt. That Carl Lewis had won the Olympics in the 1980s with a time in the 100-meter dash of 9.95. And what was shocking about that,
who the hell is Carl Lewis?
Would have got in last night's race, that would have been good for 6th place. 6th place. So I'm thinking to myself, here's one of the greatest all-time Olympic champions, and here's a guy now with his winning time in the Olympics. He would have finished 6th place in last night's race. So Carl Lewis won the Olympics with a time of 9.95, and you've got Usain Bolt, who won last night with a time of 9.63, and has actually run faster than that. The world record is 9.58. In fact, Usain Bolt would have blown Carl Lewis off the track.
I understand that everybody has the right to their opinion, and I respect that. Even though I might not like it, I respect it. But at the same time, this is my opinion on your opinion, Mr. Carl Lewis. Fuck your opinion. And I'm sure you can respect that. Like, who the fuck is Carl Lewis, man? Did somebody pay you to, like, come out retirement and talk shit? Carl Lewis, stop hit on the man because he might achieve greatness. He might do something where you never do. Stop it. Cut the shit. You know better than that. Carl Lewis, a bad mind you have. Yeah, you have bad mind. That's the only reason you're talking shit.
Harry said in one of his movies that a man's got to know his limitations. Carl Lewis apparently didn't see the movie. Sarge National Anthem.